Start operation steps for the now portable compressor. First, ensure the required ball valve is in full open position. Next, turn on the storage battery switch. Then ensure the emergency stop button has been reset. After that, turn on the control panel. If the environment temperature is below 5 degrees, turn this knob to preheat for 10 to 30 seconds. Afterwards, ensure the compressor is in unload mode, and press the start button for 2 seconds. Finally, after the compressor runs stably, turn it from unload mode to load mode. Stop operation steps for portable compressor. First, turn the air compressor from load mode to unload mode and keep it running for 1 minute. Next, turn this knob to stop the compressor. Then check the control panel and turn off if the parameter is normal. Finally, turn off the storage battery switch.